Hi there, traders, and welcome back to FX Cheat. In today's video, guys, I'm just gonna do another market insight video on the Volatility 75. So, with no further ado, gang, let's jump straight into this video. So, what we could have seen right now, where price is currently trading on the Volatility 75, is that we can see price did respect this previous higher high, right? We can see that price break out of this previous structure, create this new high. We have this descending correction right here, and now we can see price did rally all the way to the upside. So what we can do as traders right now is mark out all of our support and resistance zones where we can see price can easily come there into. So that is basically what I can see, that where price can easily come back into before I will take any trading opportunities. Because why, guys, always trade the volatility 75 from a significant reason before you actually take any trading opportunity. One key aspect that I learned during my trading journey is that the guys who are patient enough is basically the guys who's making the money into the market. So if you're not patient or will be patient to wait for price to at least come down to this zone, guys, to take a trade, then you are not really uh, patient enough to wait for the right opportunity. So if we just take a look at our 4 hour time frame right now, just feel 4 hour, we can see a 4 hour time frame did break out this reason, retest it, and there we can see price rate is highs, high, low, high. And now we can see that price did break out of this area of support right here. I know a lot of you guys want to take counter trends right now from this reason, right? To take price to the downside, but I would not recommend you guys to do that. Because why, guys, this market can do whatever it wants right now. Because why, as you guys can see, if you take the sell position right now, breakout, and it retest to this reason, price can just easily do something like this, come to this zone and then run all the way to the upside. So guys, I would wait for price to come back into this reason right here before I will take any trading opportunities. We can also mark out our 4 hour order block just down here, right? This zone right here. Wait for price to come into this 4 hour order block, guys. Then we gotta take buying opportunities. So the reason why most of you guys will lose money into the market, because why, guys, lack patience. So let's say price is trading. Just make example. So let's say price is trading to the upside, right? Create higher highs and higher lows. And price is currently here where price is trading now. So now you guys want to take advantage of this counter trend for price to come to the downside. That is a lack of unpatience, right? So if you take this trading opportunity, price can just easily take a short pullback and then run to the upside. That is what price can do, guys. So that is why I say let's wait for our next high low before we can take price all the way to the upside again. So let's wait for that before we taking any trading opportunities. Let's just scale down to our 1 hour time frame right now so you guys can see there is basically selling opportunities. We can all already see that price did break out of. Here's the stool. We can already see price break out of this area of support. You can see right here. We have this close under. We have our retest. We have our doji, and we have our engulfing candle right there. So for you guys to take a selling opportunity right now, I would not recommend it. Right? I would not recommend it. But we have a great trading opportunity right there to take counter trade right here to this reason right here. But like I said, guys, I would not do that. I will wait for price to come tap into this 4 hour order block. Show me my entry criteria, then I will take a trading opportunity for price to continue to the upside again, right? Because my price is basically bullish right now. So if we broke out of this previous structure, this is a 1 hour structure point right here. That is basically a 4 hour retracement for us for price to come into this region right here and then rally all the way to the upside, guys. So there's not a lot that I can see or say about this market for today, but the only thing is that let's wait for price to come into our 4 hour order block before we can actually take a trade, right? Wait for price to come into this zone, right? It must come into this zone, guys, right? Let price come into this zone, tap into here, and then we can take price all the way to the upside. So, guys, you can just mark it off on your charts as well. Wait for price to come into this zone, right? And just leave it and let price do that, right? Patience is key in this market. So let's wait for price to come into this zone, showing us our entry criteria, and then we take advantage of this trading opportunity. So you guys, if you guys want to see how I'm executing my trading lives, right? Just let me know in the comments down below. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because why, once I release these videos, I want you guys to get these videos on time. Because why, if you're late for these videos, guys, you guys not gonna get the proper entry that I'm basically explaining in this video. So if you guys watch this videos a week later, that is probably gonna be late, right? That is why I'm uploading regularly, so you guys must be notified once I releasing a video, so you guys can take advantage and wait with me for this trading opportunity. That is basically why I created this YouTube channel, to grow with you guys, right? Every single day. So it's your boy FXGK. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments down below what type of videos do you guys want to see next. Peace out.